Former Commission on Elections Chair Jose Melo has passed away. He was 88. Comelec spokesperson James Jimenez announced it in a Twitter post. Former Comelec Commissioner Goyo Larrazabal said his chief's death was terrible news. Melo served as Supreme Court Associate Justice before joining the poll body. Melo headed the Comelec from 2008 to 2011. He was appointed by President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo as Comelec Chief in January 2008. Melo, however, did not finish his 7-year term. He resigned in January 2011 and was succeeded by Sixto Brillantes, who died last August 11.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.